Welcome back, everybody. It's Mark. Well, I'll tell you what, I had a great weekend. I got a lot of stuff to show you guys and talk about. First of all, I had a great day fishing on Sunday with Steve Miller. Haven't fished with Steve in a while. Just busy, life gets in the way. We both have jobs, and he lives a couple hours away. So we made that happen. It's been a long time. I have not been fishing. I mean, obviously,
well, not as bad as me.
But, huh?
Not as bad as me.
No, but...
Got him. Ooh, nice one. Nice one.
Need the net, Steve. Yeah, let's measure him. I just want to see if he's 15. That's a big spot.
Got it. Barely hooked him too.
Okay. Wow. So Steven's got a 15 and a half, like how much? Where's the scales right there?
Probably what, 1 3/4?
Under 2 pounds. These things are keeper spots are about 2 pounds. I think this is a 2 pound fish. 114 and a half, almost 2 pounds.
114.
Yeah. Steven, you want your... Better send a picture of that to your wife. She thinks you're not lying to her.
Yeah.
Show the square bill. Square bills work, people.
I love them.
Big.
Yeah. Nice. Big motherfucker.
I don't know, he's a keeper. He's a keeper! Ow! Ow, ow, ow! Nope. Oh. Exciting news. A while back I called Steve and I said we need to expand the white MJB line of lures. And boy howdy did we. So, adding to the mix of white, and when I talk about white ones, you guys, you know, the mainstay, right? Now there is a rock crawler version. Gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. And to add to the mix even further, we have 3 variations of the MJB white in a jerkbait. Look at this. Basically got the water column covered with these 3 right here. Also, we've added a whopper plopper to the mix. Bam! We'll measure it real quick. Think definitely 15. Yeah. 16 probably if I stretched it. On the whopper plopper, 2 pounds, 1 ounce.
7, 8, 9. 9, 8, I think.
This is very nice. White with the blue eyes. And one more thing, you guys. We got a new version of the walking bait, okay? You hear that? Smaller BBs, a little thinner profile. This allows a little more finesse, a lighter rattle, as opposed to like a one knock. Tell you what, I think this is gonna do right on the right days. Nice calm water, nice slow presentation. It's gonna bring them right out to party. Can't wait to get this out there and try it. So, I mean, I tell you what, you guys, that's a white box right there. Also, you guys know all about the senior size MJB Walker as well. If you guys are looking for any of that, Steve Miller at Shonka Lures will hook you right up. Now, got a couple other little things I had him paint up I want to show you guys. This basically green and yellow belly and a square bill. Dynamite. We've got a shad pattern here. Also very hot right now. That's not what I was looking for though. These rock crawlers right here that Steve painted up. Very, very nice right now this time of year. 12 feet of water, bluff walls, rock banks, any kind of timber down there. These are gonna do it for you. So anyway, I got one more. I really like the color of this one too. It's like an S-crank style. That candy apple red color down to a gold on its belly. I think that one's gonna do well. Anyway, you guys, I just wanted to show you guys some of the new stuff that we've come up with for fall. And like I said, if you're interested, Steve Miller over at Shonka Lures, shonkalures.com, or on Facebook. Anyway, you guys, I hope you're having a great day. I miss you. I'll see you real soon. Take it easy.